Hello traders, and a happy Easter to you all. This is the 4th of April 2010, and this is the second part of a high probability trade regarding the euro yen. I hope you enjoy the first part of this video. If you haven't watched it, please do so. Okay, so I was saying to you that now that we locate this point here, D, where the ABCD pattern is completed, and also this resistance level here, it has been validated here. We can see the hammer is a candlestick pattern, but this pattern is not completed till after you have to have the hammer plus the next candle going down before you can sell. This is Steve Nissen, the lovely Steve Nissen. If you don't know about Steve Nissen, put it on the Google and you come up with all kind of candlestick pattern. All this bearish engulfment, bullish engulfment, harami. Okay, now I'm not talking about candlestick now. And then this hammer is right here, right now. Also at point D of our ABCD pattern, which is a double signal for us, and also this resistance level here being validated here, this is a triple green light for us to look for opportunity to sell. It doesn't guarantee that the price will go down, but at least we know that with three things, the hammer, the ABCD pattern being completed in an uptrend, and the validation of this resistance level, it gives us three green lights to look for opportunity to sell. It's like a warrant to sell, okay? So when the market opens, London opens, we are not going to sell before London opens, okay? We go to bed nicely, we sleep, we wait nicely, you get up. London open 3 a.m. Eastern time. So if you want, for the American people, it's not easy for them to get up 3 o'clock in the morning. But if you're a forex trader, that's the price you have to pay. But for us that live in London, it's not a big deal, okay? If you don't want to be getting up early, 3 a.m. Eastern time, you can come and live in London nicely, okay? You are all welcome. Or if you live in another place, also Japan or whatever, okay, you wait till London is open at 3 a.m. Eastern time, and I can tell you how this will play because there's a high probability. It's not guaranteed. I don't know what the market will do. Nobody knows that. Not even the professional trader they know. So usually, what will happen is that around in the night, some people will come in. On Sunday night, okay, which means tonight, okay, midnight of the 4th of April 2010, there will be some traders busy. The Asian traders will be busy, probably selling because they will see this and start selling, okay? And then, some people also will see and know that this is a valid point to sell, okay? And they will be selling before London open, okay? And if you want to do that, you sell, but try to take the little profit you gain that time before London open, because around 1 a.m. Eastern time, you see the future people. I don't know what kind of indicator they use. They always trade completely opposite to what the price showing. Either it's the brokers trying to I don't know whether they can do that or not, but I don't know anything about that. That's not my business. Either it's the brokers trying to take people's position to make money, easy money. I'm not saying that though. I don't know anything about that though. So they move the price completely in the opposite to what is so obvious and evident. They do it consistently. And they will move the price, you'll see, they will move the price higher than this, till London is open. Okay, I don't know whether it's a professional doing that to have a better place to sell. I don't know whether these people who usually trade before London Open don't know what's going on. And always, the stochastic is always oversold at 6, I don't know, at 6 a.m. London time. That's 2, wait, guess what time? That's 1 a.m. Eastern time. It's usually in the oversold zone for the hourly chart. Yeah, if you check it. If you want to play that, you can do it every morning. You look at the chart, you see a signal to sell, you come in at 1 a.m. Eastern time, and you do exactly the opposite to what the price is telling you. You'll make money, believe me. That's what they do every day. I don't trade them though. Before London Open, you see the signal to sell. Instead of selling, you buy. That's what they do all the time, consistently. And they push the price in the opposite direction consistently, okay? And then you, because we don't do that, because we want to do like the professional traders, we wait till London Open, okay? There are a lot of opportunity, and we want the opportunity that comes after London Open. So when London Open, you see the price will be maybe up a bit above this line here. So what do? We just switch back to 5 minutes and observing. Draw our trend line on 5-minute chart, okay? And see what's going to happen. And you will see the price. If the professional traders take control, you will see they will sell. They will definitely sell. Unless we have some major news, but this is just a high probability trade. This video is for educational purpose only. It's not anything to go around and buy or sell at all. It's not any advice to buy or sell. This is for my own, okay? So if you're watching this video and you go and buy or sell and lose money, don't blame me. This is for myself, okay? For those who want to learn. So I'm doing this for educational purpose only, okay? So all I'm saying here, don't take my word for it. Analysts can be wrong in their prediction. Who am I to make prediction even, okay? Everybody will lose at one point, okay? But we know that there's a high probability trade setting up nicely here. But nothing is stopping the price to break above this resistance level here, okay, nicely, and then maybe retest it, and then it become a support, and the price continue up. Nothing will stop that to do that. But with the information that we have at hand right now, our first intention is to look for opportunity to sell till otherwise, okay? So this is it. So we know also in this video, in my previous video, I did some video yesterday regarding when you know that you shouldn't buy or sell, okay? So after a downtrend like this, okay, very important, a downtrend like this plus ABCD pattern, you stop selling, shorting for long time, selling for long time, okay? You start changing color from bear to bull, okay? In this situation, some traders will not even try to sell like we want to sell, pull back to the 50 exponential moving average, okay? Because they know that this downtrend from here to here is finished. So after this correction, they don't want to sell. They will just wait till for this pullback. They will wait for this pullback. They won't like to take part in this small pullback here because they know that the downtrend is now finished. Okay, so they will be waiting, or they will only place their orders here to buy. You can do the same. You can place your orders here to buy. Okay, and then you put your stop below here. See, it depends on your risk tolerance. I don't advise people at all. I don't talk even about stop loss for people. It's up to the person to decide on their risk tolerance and which system also they are using, which method of trading they are using, and which time frame they are using. If you're using a daily chart, so your stop should be here. But if you want 5-minute chart, you have to wait till the price pull back to the 50 and you decide on that decision, okay? So it's up to you. So we know that the downtrend is finished, so we are waiting for uptrend to start. But before the uptrend start, we want to play this pullback here. which is a contra trend in fact. But we know, so there's a validation of this resistance level here. So that's why myself as a day trader, I want to take part on that small pullback. Okay, so I hope you learned something in this video, and until next time, enjoy yourself and be happy. Thank you.